to roast my peanuts that I grew out in my garden. So hopefully we will have some peanuts in here. And this is the first time I've ever grown any peanuts. So hopefully when I crack these shells, we will have some peanuts. And I'm going to roast them in here. And I have some salt that I will be sprinkling on them, because I don't want them to be really salty. So let's get to opening these peanuts and see if there's any peanuts in here, because I have let them sit out and dry, so the shells are really dry, and they've been out there for like a whole week. So let's see what the inside looks like. There's 2 peanuts right there, so we're just going to shake them and put them in the container. It's not going to be a lot of peanuts, but just to taste it and see if I can roast these. The shells are like really hard, so. But at least there's peanuts. Oop, there goes one on the floor. Can't be losing our peanuts. I'll pick that one up as soon as I find it. Let's crack this one open and see what they look like in the inside. Now, I wouldn't trust this one, because you see how the tip of this peanut doesn't look so good? So we'll discard that peanut. But this is a good peanut, so we'll keep that one. Let's continue to crack these bad boys open. And this one looks kind of dry, but we'll stick it in there anyway. We got 2 more to go. This one seems like it's really soft or something. This one doesn't crack or feel like a normal peanut, but we shall see. There's 2 of them in there. Normally I've heard people take these peanuts and they soak them in a brine of salty water overnight, and then they take it out of the brine and then they roast the peanut inside the shell. Well, I'm not going to do that. We're just going to roast our peanuts. So here's our peanuts. I told you it wouldn't be a whole lot, but there's peanuts in there. And we have our one that doesn't look so good, so we're going to put that on the tissue because we're not using that. And I think what I'll do is I'll put a little bit of olive oil at the bottom so they don't stick, and maybe I'll coat the peanuts in a little bit of olive oil. It won't burn. And then we'll sprinkle some salt on our peanuts. Put that one over here. Not a lot, because I don't want a lot of salt on this peanut. I'm going to set this oven for like 300 degrees, and then I'll stick them in there, and then I'll just keep an eye on them. So that's what our peanuts look like. So let's get them in the oven at 300. The peanuts has come out of the oven, so let me bring it down so you can see. And guess who's with me as always? My Isaiah. Sorry you guys only see the half of my face, but I'm trying to get this camera together. All right, let me bring it down so you guys can see. See my peanuts? Remember I told you we weren't going to have a lot of peanuts because this is my first time growing them. So I'm just thankful for my little bit of peanuts. So excited to taste these. They're roasted. Look, they got a brown little tint to them. So I'm so excited. So let's get this peanut tasting happening. All right, let me bring you up.
Pause the magic trick.
I'm saying this hats. You're going to see them with various hats. All right, so then Isaiah, go ahead and pick you a peanut.
All right, why not? I ain't the biggest peanut guy, so, you know.
All right, I'm going to pick mine. Cheers, Isaiah, for our first homegrown peanut. All right, here we go.
That's definitely peanut.
Peanut taste. You taste the roasted of the peanut.
And salty.
And a little salt. I think that is a hit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Now the only thing I need to do next year is to grow more peanuts. Woo, I'm so excited. So my next challenge to myself is to grow more peanuts And I'm going to make a peanut brittle. Yay! Because growing up, my grandfather made a peanut brittle that was amazing. He made one with just peanuts, and he made one with peanuts and pecans. So I'm so excited. So pecans is my favorite nut. So of course I'm going to incorporate that. So alright, you guys, I told you it's going to be a short video. I just wanted to show you that I took it to the end, roasted my peanuts, let Isaiah taste them, and he liked them, but he's not really a peanut dude. But he's nice. He always helps me out when I'm doing my crazy stuff.
Yeah, I
He's
don't
always
eat peanuts, but that was alright.
See? But he's a good participant. That's what grandsons are supposed to do. They're supposed to help out their grandmothers in anything we ask him to do. And he's fabulous at that.
Oh,
Yes, Isaiah. Such a good little grandson. He ain't little no more, child, but he's still my grandson. All right, Isaiah. We will see you later. Bye, Isaiah.
Adios.
And back to finishing up eating my peanuts. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. If you haven't already subscribed to Renee's Garden, come on, what you waiting for? You know you want to see more and exciting things that I do over here in my garden. Because I even want to know what I'm doing in my garden sometime. So, hit that red subscribe button. Give your girl a thumbs up. Share this video out so everybody else can come over and enjoy the wonderful adventures of Renee's Garden. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. You guys know what to do. Hey, I love you. And I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Wendy, I'm waiting for your video, girl. Love your peanuts. You can do it. Love you much, Wendy. All right, and you guys go check out Wendy from Healthy Living. She got her peanuts over there, and she is about to get her peanuts going soon. Fingers crossed. I know she's going to be awesome when she harvests her peanuts. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee is going to eat another peanut. Oh, yeah, that is such a success in my book. Yay for peanuts! All right, guys, take care.